Texas versus Catherine Welch. Ma'am, are you Catherine Welch?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Welch is here with her attorney, Mr. Gertz. State's attorney is present. Ms. Welch was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to driving while intoxicated third or more, as well as a prior offense, which made it a second-degree felony offense. There was no agreement with regard to punishment. I have received the pre-sentence report, and has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
We have, Judge.
I have, Your Honor.
Are there any additions or corrections to that report?
Not from the state, other than I want to acknowledge I have received Mr. Gertz's sentencing memorandum this morning.
I'm going to get to that too in just a second. Any additions or corrections?
Aside from the one comment that I make in the sentencing memoranda about a comment that she made about rehabilitation, I think it's more of a clarification, so I'm happy to touch on that. But other than that, we don't have any additions or corrections.
Okay. And Ms. Malfino has already stated, as well as I have received the sentencing memorandum at 5:47 p.m. yesterday. Going to point that out for the record.
The Harris County judge got her sentencing memoranda at midnight, so.
Well, it was reviewed quite early this morning, but I did review it. Ms. Malfino, you've had time to review it as well?
Same, Your Honor.
Okay. Other than that, I think you all should have a couple, there's only a few, but there were some jail incident reports that should have been provided to counsel. Did you both receive those as well?
Yes, Judge.
I did.
Okay. Is everyone ready to proceed with sentencing then?
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
All right. Mr. Gertz, do you have witnesses?
I'm not going to call any live witnesses unless the court requires it. When we have a person present from the Dream Center, if the court wants to inquire about that, I would essentially let her come up and talk if you want to have that conversation. But
Okay.
I think, our focus here is going to be on the topics that we talked about or write about in the sentencing memo. And, just sort of allowing, if the court decides to do what we're asking you to do, we are open and welcome to whatever the court requires of her
Sure.
to enter and successfully complete. We just wanted you to have that option on the table as well. That
Okay.
is an option that doesn't cost the court anything.
Right.
The state anything.
And for the record, I'm aware of the Dream Center and their program and what they do. And so if I have any specific questions, if we get to something where I would need that, then I appreciate them being here and I'll ask those questions. Ms. Malfino, does the state have any witnesses?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then argument.
Judge, I want to, I recognize this is a unique case and a unique ask that we're making here. This is not